Here, here we have to find the value of angle TSQ, which is unknown, and we are given that the side TQ is equal to side QR. Here TQ is equal to QR. This makes angle TQR to be an isosceles triangle. Let's look at only angle TQ and R. So we are given TQ is equal to QR. So it makes we know from this we can say that angle QT and R will also be 30 degree, as its corresponding sides TQ and QR are equal. Now here let's look at the two chord TQ and QS. The angle subtended by the chord TQ with the tangent PQ, it means this angle should be equal to the angle TSQ by alternate segment theorem. Here let us try to understand what alternate segment theorem tells us. So let's look at triangle TQ and S. So we can say it just by looking the diagram that angle QST is this angle is greater than angle QTS. I hope you can say it as well. And here also let us look at two chords TQ and QS. We can say that chord TQ is longer than chord QS. It's just obvious. So angle made by the longer chord with the tangent, here tangent is PQ, angle made by the longer chord with tangent PQ is this angle TQP corresponding is equal to the bigger angle inside the chord or inside the triangle. Here bigger angle is QST compared to QTS. So the longer angle made by the longer chord with the tangent is equal to the greater angle inside the chord, which is QST. Similarly, angle made by the smaller chord, here QS is smaller chord, angle made by smaller chord with tangent, which is angle QSQR, is equal to the smaller angle inside the chord or inside the triangle. So angle QSQR is equal to angle QTS. This proves alternate segment theorem. So we can say here angle SQR to be 30 degree from alternate segment theorem. Here when we look at the smaller triangle SQR, here these both angles are 30 degrees, so we can find the remaining angle, which is angle QSR, by using the triangle property, which gives QSR to be 120. We can also say that angle QSR plus angle QST sums to give 180 because they are supplement angle. As we found QSR to be 120, we can say QST to be equal to 180 minus 120 because 120 go to the other side, and it gives QST to be 60 degree, which is our answer. This gives TSQ to be 60 degree. So I hope you got the idea on solving this question, and thanks for watching.